apple tahini dip. That could be a thing. That could be a vibe, right, y'all? That could be a thing. That wasn't small. That could maybe be a thing, right?
Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing something real quick. It's gonna be like a really quick snack that you can make when you're running low on time and you really just want to get it done real quick. So we're gonna get some apples, right? We're gonna get 2 apples and we just gonna slice them up, like super simple, super simple. So I'm just gonna slice it down the middle. And I'm just gonna slice it up. I'm just gonna slice it up. Take the core out. Slice it up. Right. And you could, if you don't want 2, you could just do 1. If you want more, you could do more. This is really good for the kids, and it's really simple. It's healthy, and it's delicious. Y'all, so I'm gonna show you how easy. This being healthy, eating healthy thing is, okay? That was the mission here. So I didn't even get a cutting board out for this. So I got this idea from Carlie Green, one of my friends. And she's a doula. She's a super cool doula. And we always hear Dr. Inky talk about the almond butter on the apple and then sprinkle some cinnamon on top of it. But then Carlie came in, and what Carlie did was like tahini on the apples. So I was like, okay, that could be a thing. Tahini, apples, and cinnamon. So that's where I got this idea from. So this is it. You're just gonna take the apples, cut them up, and then you're gonna get a little container, and then you're gonna put it in the middle or on the side, whatever floats your boat, and you're gonna get some tahini. Now sometimes with tahini, y'all, it gets like oily on top, like it'll separate, especially if you don't refrigerate it. So you might have to mix it up. You might have to mix it up a bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you just mix it up a bit and make sure it's not like the oil isn't separating out. And then what you're gonna do is take some and just stick it in your container, and that's it. Just like that. I'll put a little more. Oh, stick it in your container. And you could use this like almost like a dip. Like a dip. Just like an apple tahini dip. That could be a thing. That could be a vibe, right, y'all? That could be a thing. That could maybe be a thing, right? And then we hit it with the whoo. Y'all don't even know how easy this is. Like you just hit it with the cinnamon. Hit it with the cinnamon, and you don't want to mix the cinnamon in. I don't know why, but it just tastes better when you just like don't mix it. But what you could do is just maybe swirl it. Don't like mix it evenly. Just swirl it. Just swirl it in. And that's it. You make a cinnamon swirl and you cut the apples next to it. And that's it. You're done. Don't be letting nobody tell you this thing is hard. Like, and this right here, this is my go-to snack. Like, there's a whole vibe. It's so easy. Like, don't let nobody tell you this thing hard, okay? Eating healthy is not the hard part. Let me tell you that. When you have to start dealing with things that's going on in your head, that becomes a whole other situation. But we gonna leave that for another video, right? Let's just keep this one on food. But keep loving yourself. Keep healing. See y'all next time. Deuces.